What is up, y'all? This is day 3 of, I forgot my title, but trying to turn into a profitable day trader. um, so I was kind of telling the the vlog I was doing is because I already had this marked out, not the top, but this is kind of where I wanted to see the market go. Um, Before I took a trade, but as soon as news hit at 8:30, where was it? Unemployment claims. It instantly shot right back up, and I'm not like a turtle soup trader, not like that. So there wasn't truly an entry. Um, like you had this 3 minute gap, but it was kind of still in the. There was a lot of volatility, um, which I could have took, but I wasn't even um, at my desk yet. So kind of missed out on that. So it is what it is. The sucky part now though, it's already taken both sides. So I don't really have much of a bias anymore because now it's just in a huge gap. I'm still bullish, I would say, but it tapped in this 1 minute gap, but now, I mean, 1 hour gap. Yeah, there's just not much right now. So like I see this. It's just I don't know how confident I am of taking this. If this candle were to close, I may. I'll probably risk less though because it already took both sides um, of liquidity. So it's hard to say where the market's gonna go right now. I like the data lows only because there's a lot of liquidity sitting there. Um, Let me see. I'm on the wrong chart. So it retraces, I may get in here. Might risk 150. All right. So the only thing, it tapped into this order block. So this could definitely be a loser. My first TP will be here. I'll probably take 4 off there. So like I said, if we get a close above this inversion on the 2 minute, I will just exit the position. Like I said, I'm only kind of confident in this because of the data lows. If it wasn't for that, I would not be taking this. Which is also the 50% basically. I'll probably take 2 off at that 830 price if it drops below there. And then the rest I will just hold to here if it hits. Alright, stop loss to break even. Cool, got winning trade. Not a huge winner. I just didn't want to risk a lot, but it is kind of moving. So we'll see if it plays. I gotta modify this because I only have 4 there. The only thing about futures, you gotta be very cautious about like switching your stop, the buy stop and stuff like that, because it can really mess you up if you're not paying attention. So something to be mindful. Um, this may be a super short stream. Like we're only 5 minutes in, which I was probably gonna take a trade earlier in the day because we had the news. So there's just more volatility in the market, and I think we have NFP. Yeah, we have NFP tomorrow too. So that's another thing. Or employment change. Oh no, not from payroll. Not from employment change. Sorry, I read that wrong. Um, but I don't know. I didn't want to risk a lot today. I only like to risk a lot if I'm super confident in the position. So I like how it created this fair value gap, so I could see it tapping into this and then going down. So we'll see. This needs to be, I would say it needs to be respected though. And the reason I'm taking some off here is kind of, if y'all saw the stream yesterday, was it yesterday? No, it was the day before. It hit that 8:30 and freaking went, and I've seen that before. So it hits that 8:30 sometimes and then just swings back up in the original direction. So since I'm not risking much today and just trying to take some, I'll just take another two contracts off there, and then I'll just hold 2 runners. And then after this trade plays out, however it does, I will go over a kind of like a review, quick review of what I kind of saw, why I took that, which I'm kind of talking about already, but I'll still kind of do that, and I need to do it for the vlog as well. So come on, hit it right there. Does it hit? Oh, it already hit there on that time. Oh, I accidentally bought. I did not mean to buy. I meant to. See, that's another thing. So I might have just messed up this position by doing that a little bit. See, I'm still trying to figure that out. I'm trying to figure out why it does that. Like if I put a buy limit, I don't know why sometimes it it like moves it. I still haven't figured that out. But if I keep it there originally, but I mess with this, and anytime I mess with that, it does that. Which it is what it is. Um, Still in profit anyway, so. It's just I would obviously like to have it higher up because obviously it can retrace. It's just the name of the game. So now I didn't leave any room for really retracement, so it just has to either drop or it's gonna stop me out. Did I put a... Yeah, I did put a buy limit. Yeah, I need to watch a video on that today. I don't know why I still haven't figured that out. I haven't been trading futures that long. So, looks like stop me out right there. Alright, cool. So this trade may still play out all... This was my original. Take profit. I kind of messed up there, so we could see it retrace up to here and then come back down. So it is what it is. You know, I still need to figure that out. So that's my fault. So I took off 4 contracts there, another 2 like right here, and then it stopped me out for my other 2 there. Like 2.7. So yeah, this is probably still gonna hit. So basically, to kind of do a recap. So in the morning, price had took in liquidity from the news. Okay, hit this 15-minute gap, shot back up, took liquidity here too. But the only reason I was kind of confident of taking that sell is because 1, in the range we're in premium, and then 2, it's a data low. Okay, so anytime there's a data low, there's usually a lot more liquidity there. So the only true gap that I saw that was at least a little bit obvious to me was this one. What made me not as confident is there's an order block right there, and it could have respected that. But because it closed below, that's what gave me kind of the confidence to get in. What else? Oh, and then I took some off below this low right here, which I would have moved my stop to break even, but it was over a 1-to-1, so I usually like to take something off. And then I took some off there at the 8:30, and then my final TP should have been this data low, but I messed up using these, or I'm not sure. I need to figure it out. So, but I still think it's probably gonna hit. So I probably missed out on like 50 or 60 bucks, whatever. It is what it is. I risked was that 7 contracts I took, or 8? I think it was 8, because I think it was 150. Yeah, basically 150 is what it was. And I took that trade, so good one. Super short stream, 13 minutes. So it's basically almost like I might just make this a regular video, and then just post it. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm done for the day. I'm not going to take any more trades. If I have a winner, I'm done. So yeah, that's it. 9:03, well, 8 o'clock my time. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below the comments. If you need anything at all, hit me up. I have my socials below. I still need to post some videos on, like, I don't have anything I think yet for TikTok, and my Instagram I have. There's not trading content on there yet. And then I'm gonna start posting the daily vlog, or not daily vlogs, I guess a weekly vlog of a day in life, and then some YouTube shorts to just kind of give my, I guess, experience, so to speak. I'm still not fully profitable yet. Obviously, you see I'm still in drawdown. So people that don't know, this is an Apex account, so it's a 50K account. I was down pretty heavy on this account because I wasn't following my rules, but this last 2 weeks I've stayed to the course, managed my risk, and I'm surely slowly but surely getting it back up to break even, so I can start withdrawing from it. But it is an actual account, okay, but it's a funded account. So if, like I said, if you have anything, let me know, but I will see y'all later. Peace out.